Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have announced giveaway. To participate in the giveaway you have to follow 3 steps. 1. Like. 2. Share. 3. Comment. In this giveaway we will give $100 worth SafeMoon token to 10 random lucky subscribers, so make sure you subscribe from all devices. To get benefits of giveaway. Winner will announce on the 1st of December. The crypto market has seen tremendous growth over the past few years. Especially this year with Bitcoin, many altcoins were trending with rapid price spikes. One such asset is AVAX. The Avalanche has quickly gained great attention that crypto investors are curious and searching the questions like, is AVAX worth buying in 2021? What will be the price increase for the year 2021 and beyond? How high can AVAX price go? What is Avalanche? Avalanche, AVAX, is the emerging smart contracts platform in the crypto industry, as measured by time to finality, and has the most validators securing its activity of any proof-of-stake protocol. AVAX platform is booming quick, low cost, and eco-friendly. Avalanche has its own native token AVAX. The token is used to pay for fees, secure the network via staking, and provide a basic unit of account between the multiple subnets created on AVAX. Fundamental analysis. The mastermind behind the Avalanche protocol is Cornell researcher Emin Gun Surer, which was launched in September 2020. The main motive of this launch was to bring secure and fast transactions in the global payment space. Avalanche is a secure platform for launching dApps, decentralized finance, financial products, trading, and other services. Any smart contract-enabled application can rule over its competitors on Avalanche, AVAX. AVAX Price Prediction 2021. AVAX is a rally with a price of $3.0905. As the founders intended to make this coin a big hit this year, they came up with a series of announcements. At the very beginning of the year they partnered with Reef Finance. This is where the actual bull rally began, and by the mid of January, the price smashed a new all-time high of $13.60 and consolidated at the same price for a few days. With the following announcements of its partnerships with Beefy Finance and Pangolin, the price surged to a TH of $59.40 in the month of February but failed to sustain and dropped to the level of $25. Avalanche partnered with the Graph in the month of April, which resulted in the price surge to $42.59. As a result of the crypto market crash on May 19, the price plunged back to $15.58 and hovered around the same price till July end. AVAX Price Prediction 2022. AVAX is all set for new milestones. Yes, the year 2022 is going to be the game changer for AVAX. If bulls significantly hold the market for a certain period of time, the price may surpass $208.20 by the end of the year. Also, it may captivate a huge audience if it continues its development and other events at the same pace. AVAX Price Prediction 2025. When predicting the price for the long term, it is implicit to analyze its historical footprints and how it behaves when bears overtake the market. From a historical point of view, compared to the other coins, AVAX has responded well enough to the market fluctuations. So, this super fast and secure platform has the potential to reach $321.35 by the end of 2025. As the coin continues to evolve, the platform will obviously plan for its expansion. Where the coin may face regulatory restrictions across different countries, this may result in a pullback of the price rally to $228.26. If altcoin manages to pass all the incoming hurdles significantly, the price would end up trading at an average price of $285.98. AVAX Price Prediction 2030. There are many challenges to be considered while making long-term forecasts. Heated debates on regulatory compliance across several countries could be a major threat to the growth of cryptocurrencies. As per the coin's fundamental data and technical analysis, AVAX price may skyrocket to $450 by end of the year 2030, provided the platform's active announcements, possible technology breakthroughs, and partnerships with reputed tech firms. Our price prediction. AVAX is one of the young and promising altcoins. We have brought you some interesting predictions for this coin. The altcoin would continue buzzing its milestones with constant upgrades this year. According to Coin City formulated AVAX price prediction, it may smash $136.78 by the end of 2021. On the downside, market fluctuations and uncertain global conditions, Even failure of upgrades can be a possible setback for the altcoin, and thereby the AVAX price may struggle to consolidate around $74.19 by the year end. Considering all viewpoints, the average price of the AVAX would be around $114.56 by the end of this year.